Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about operation management and strategy. So last class we had discussed functions of operation management. So now we are going to discuss about operation management and strategy. Operation function should be guided by strategies which are consistent with the organizational strategies. So there are many types of strategies are there: corporate strategy and functional strategy. So in the corporate strategy, we are going to discuss one by one: environmental scanning, core competencies, core process, global strategies. Then functional strategy, we already know: finance, marketing, operations, and also corporate strategy is converted to the market analysis. That is a market segmentation, need assessment, then competitive priorities, cost, quality, time, and flexibility. It will be converted to the new service and product design, design, analysis, development, and full launch. Then competitive capabilities, current, needed, and also we plan. So these are the things covered under the operation management and strategy. So operation strategy, the set of decisions that are warranted in the operational processes to support the competitive of the business, to develop organization strategies at three levels of operation. One is corporate level, business level, and functional level. So global business environment, it's international business environment, corporate strategy, business strategy, and product or services. Competence is nothing but performance of the business. So competitive priorities, cost, time, quality, and flexibility. Linkage between corporate, business, and operation strategy. So how to link between that each operation? First one is production system, make to stock, inventory, order, assemble to order, related to production system. We are using the production strategy, and also product plan, outsourcing, process decision, quality decision, capacity decision, facility planning, location and layout, operating decision, technology decision, and resource planning. Elements or components of operation strategy. The six elements of operation strategy are: number one, designing of the production system. The product design has two varieties: customized product design and standard product design. Customized product design, everyone know. For example, if you're going to purchase any pant, shirt, or anything, or dress material, you are going to customize and you can use it. So customized product design, the design is customized when the volume is low and special features are inbuilt. Example, turbine, boiler, air compressor. So these are the things we are customized product. Some of the things it will be standard. The designer adopt a universal design so that the product will have wide acceptance across the customer. Example, air conditioners and TV. So the shape is not changed. Still now TV, it will be in the rectangle shape. But we are having some advanced methodologies. But the shape will be same. The design will be same. The same like the air conditioner also. So there are two types of production system. Product focused system is adopted where mass production is using a group of machines. Example, automobile, computer. Process focused system is based on a single task like painting, packing, and heat. Number two, facilities for the production and services. Production allows the firm to provide the customer with products of low cost, faster delivery, on-time delivery. Next, third one, product and service design and development. We are going to generate the idea, because idea is very important to design the product. So generating the idea, creating the feasibility report. So what do you mean feasibility? You can check it whether the product will be, for example, if you manufacture the product, then it will be reached to the customer, whether it will be successful or not. So you're going to conduct a pilot study or feasibility study. That is, you can take a feasibility report. So designing the prototype, preparing a production model, evaluating the economies of scale for production, testing the product in the market, obtaining feedback, creating the final design, and starting the production. So product life cycle, everyone know about that. So there are four stages of product life cycle: introduction stage, growth stage, maturity stage, and decline stage. So this is the phases of operation strategy, operation management and strategy. These are the phases. So factor to be reduced during operation. So very important: quality, flexibility, and time. So quality is the driven factor for any organization. Quality includes just in time. So just in time, it will be useful to reduce the waste. So whatever the demand, whatever your need for that particular product, that resources only you are going to purchase and you are going to manufacture your product. So just in time, lean manufacturing, TQM, total quality management, total productive maintenance. These are the things related to the quality. Flexibility, adaptability. Flexibility enables a firm to meet the changing demands of the customers, to develop new processes and materials, and to make the organization more agile in its manufacturing. And time, so it's very important. So you factor to be reduced during operation, planning, design time, processing time, changeover time, delivery time, and response time. So these are the time we are going to plan. Operation management and strategy. Strategic decision making is most crucial management function. Decision commit the organization and its members to activities which has financial repercussion and affect the functioning of other departments, division. Strategic decision consists of data gathering, analysis, predicting outcome, environmental scanning, core competency. So we discussed about environmental scanning. Competitors may be gaining an edge by diversification, making forays into firm niche narrow group of customers, that is a niche market, by making new and better product. Suppliers could be forming cartels and preparing to drive on bargain. Government could be passing laws and issuing order which could affect the supply of materials. Now it's used to be SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. And also we are using PESTIL analysis. What do you mean PESTIL? Political, economical, social, technological, legal, environment. So these are the things are covered under the operation management and strategy. So operation management and strategy, they are having another one, strategic decision making. Decision making is very important in business, in management also. So core competency. So the objective to use unique strength to create and develop an organization. Core process of an organization are determined by the competencies. Four main core process are customer relationship, new product service development, supply relationship, and order fulfillment. These are the first phases. It will be very important in strategic decision making. So next we are going to discuss very important strategy in BCG matrix. Thank you.